In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide LinkedIn connections from competitors. Whether you're looking to maintain privacy, protect your professional network, or simply safeguard your connections from curious eyes, these steps will guide you through the process. We'll begin by navigating to the LinkedIn website, which you can do by opening your preferred web browser. You can type linkedin.com directly into the address bar or use your favorite search engine to find LinkedIn. Once you're on the home page, it's time to log in. You have the option to sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. Choose the method you're comfortable with. Remember, it's important to keep your login details secure, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you might be prompted to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. Make sure your phone is nearby to retrieve this code quickly and ensure your account's security. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you will notice the Me icon. Go ahead and click on it. This area is critical as it houses your personal settings and privacy options, which allow you to manage how your information is shared on LinkedIn. Once you click that Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section offers a range of settings to customize your LinkedIn experience and protect your data. Our focus today is on the visibility of your connections. On the left side of the page, you'll find a tab labeled Visibility. Click on this tab to access settings related to how your profile and information are presented to other LinkedIn users. Under the section titled Visibility of your profile and network, there's an option labeled Who can see your connections. This is where you manage the visibility of your connections list. By default, this setting might allow others to see who you're connected to. To modify this, simply switch the toggle to No or Off. This action hides your connections list from others, giving you that added layer of privacy. And there you have it, the basic steps to keep your LinkedIn connections hidden from prying eyes. By taking control of your visibility settings, you ensure your professional network remains private and protected from competitors. It's always a good idea to regularly review your privacy settings on LinkedIn to stay informed about any new features or updates that could impact your data security. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to hide your LinkedIn connections. See you in the next video.